it's a review for the Unit 4 test that we have coming up this week. So we're adding 7 plus 4 is 11, 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10, 3 plus 1 plus 4 is 8. The next one, 9 minus 4 is 13, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 7 plus 6 is 13. And the last one, 9 plus 7 is 16, 8 plus 1 plus 3 is 12, 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10, and 3 plus 1 is 1 is 5. The second group is subtracting. So when I can't do that, I need to borrow. 15 minus 8 is 7. Can't do that, so I borrow again. 13 minus 4 is 9, and 6 minus 5 is 1. My next one, can't do the first one, so I've got to borrow. 15 minus 7 is 8, 9 minus 3 is 6, 8 minus 2 is 6. And the last one, I can't do 1 minus 6, so I borrow. 11 minus 6 is 5, 7 minus 4 is 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 2. Number 3, I'm writing from expanded form into our regular number form. So I have 32,112. Oh, I skipped A. Sorry. 20,456. D, I have 7,000. Nothing in the hundreds. 46. 7,046. D, we have 96,035. Letter E, I have 63,000. No hundreds or tens. 7. And letter F, I have 13,855. And G, we have 50,305. Number 4, we're filling in the missing blank to make it into expanded form. So I have 40,000 plus 1,000, 90 plus 50,000 plus 1,000 plus 300, 10,000 plus 7,000, 90,000 plus 6,000 plus 0, 100, so I don't need to put that one, plus 30 plus 5. 20,000, no thousands, so this is 400. Then 2,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 7. And 20,000 plus no thousands, so 400, no tens, and 8. Okay, let's look at the back. In December, cafeteria served breakfast sandwiches. During the first week of January, they served that many sandwiches, and this that many. So how many more did they serve? So how many more? So let's say at some point I'm going to subtract. But I have the first 2 weeks, which tells me I need to add those 2 weeks. So I get 1,024 breakfast sandwiches for the first 2 weeks of January. Now how many more is that in December? Now I'm going to set up my subtraction problem. 4 minus 2 is 2. You can't do that, so we need to borrow. 12 minus 7 is 5, and 9 minus 9 is 0, so 52 sandwiches. Number 6. There were that many bags of potato chips in the cafeteria. They served, so I'm going to get rid of, so that's a subtract, 781 of them at lunch, and 89 more of them as snacks. How many are left? I'm going to first add to find out how many they gave away, because I'd rather do one addition problem and one subtraction problem than 2 subtraction problems. But if you want, you could do 2 subtraction problems. You could do the first one, and then take away 89 more. But I got that they gave away 870. So now I'm going to do that big subtraction problem. So they have 5,872 bags left. And number 7. The basketball game, the home team was losing by 48 points at halftime, so fans started to leave. There were that many people when it started, and that many left at halftime. Then another of that many people left again. So how many people were there at the end of the game? So just like we just did, I'm going to add up all the people that left first, and then do one subtraction problem. But if you want to, again, you can do 2 subtraction problems, and you'd get the same answer. So I know that 31,838 people left out of the 45,862. Five minus 3 is 2, 8 minus 8 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So I'm going to say that 14,024 people stayed until the very end of the game. And that is tonight's homework as our review for our test Friday.